I think as creators, we're all feeling a little lost right now, and the motivation to create can be hard to come by. Getting back to the basics, making things by hand, can be cathartic. The act of constructing something tangible or of solving a unique problem, it's a path back to that connection. The process of building revives us, it reconnects us, and even propels us forward. Our best work might be the next thing that we create, but more importantly, it might remind us of the satisfaction of just creating. So, let's get to work.